What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a snow drive in this 2026 Acura MDX Advanced package. So it's snowing here in Dallas. It's been snowing here for the last few days, so I was like, you know what, let's make a snow drive video on this MDX. I have a regular test drive video on the 2026 Advance if you want to check that out. But yeah, so, same old information on the MDX. 3.5 liter V6, 290 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque with the 10-speed automatic transmission. Advanced package has all-wheel drive standard. I chose this one because the Advance has all-wheel drive standard, as well as the A-Spec and the A-Spec Advance and the Type S. The Tech package and base models do not have all-wheel drive standard. And super handling all-wheel drive is fantastic. So we're gonna see how that does. I'm gonna put it in snow mode. This one has the parchment interior and white exterior, really nice color combination, of course. And you have a head-up display in the Advanced package too. But let's walk around it, and then we'll go for a drive. Yeah, it's like it's like solid ice in some parts of it's like half powder snow, half solid ice. And you know, I was driving through the parking lot, the all-wheel drive, and the tires seem to stick well to it compared to some of the other cars I've been driving. You have Bridgestone Alenza tires, sport all-season tires. Classic SH all-wheel drive badge on the back. Let's get out on the road now. You guys all know how much I love the MDX, and I love making videos on Acuras. So, to make a snow drive, I was like, of course I'm going to make a video on an Acura. With all-wheel drive, of course. A lot of slush on the road. The car can definitely get a little bit sideways, so you have to be careful when you accelerate and everything like that. I wanted to see how this thing would handle in this icy snow. It seems to be doing a pretty good job, especially with all the rough icy slush. So it's good to see that. And you know, in this cold weather, the heated seats, heated steering wheel, and the massage function definitely is good. It's a good touch. The all-wheel drive system seems to be doing really good in maintaining traction in this snow mode, so I'm happy to see that. If you're going to get an MDX and you're in a cold weather climate, I would definitely recommend super handling all-wheel drive. Dallas is obviously not a cold weather climate, but say if you are in a cold weather climate, or if you like going like on nationwide road trips in the winter and everything like that, you should definitely consider an all-wheel drive MDX as opposed to front-wheel drive. Plus, I like super handling all-wheel drive a lot. I feel like it changes the driving dynamics of the vehicle in general, makes it get power really quickly, helps it put down power more, handles better and everything like that too. Hence the name super handling all-wheel drive. Yeah, the car feels nice and smooth. Go in this patch of snow real quick. Obviously very slowly. The overall super handling all-wheel drive has been doing great in maintaining traction in the snow. I did not feel like it was slipping at any point. This is a car that you can feel very confident about going in snow and everything like that. So that's really nice. Honestly, any Acura with super handling all-wheel drive, you can feel great about driving in the snow. And even the brakes are doing good and not seizing up with the snow getting in them and everything. So yeah, great car to drive in the snow. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Greb's Family Dealerships and Greb's Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Acura MDX.